Here's what's going on with the house. They're actually putting windows in right now. Those are nice. I'm sure glad we went with the ones that didn't have the fake dividers in the middle. Now they're up here putting the shingles on. I think once they get rolling, they'll be able to be done in a day and a half or so. It's supposed to rain again. 2 days, so hopefully some of this stuff will germinate. Otherwise I'm out 100 pounds of cereal rice seed. I haven't planted anything up here obviously because well, this is going to get a final grade later on. Looks like they cleaned up the build lot a little bit. There's still quite a bit of junk laying around in the woods and such. Looks like they've got some of the shingles up on the front there. And there's the black windows that we wanted. There's beams up there. It's supposed to be cedar, so we'll see where that ends up. Anyhow, I don't want to walk around that side. They're too busy getting shingles up. Brought the dog, but I don't want her running around front. I forgot to bring her collar. Don't tell my wife. Hey, you want to get out for a little while? You got to stay with me. Come on. Let me get the leash here. Hey, hey, hey. Stay over here. Stay with me. Let's walk back there.